Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. Today we're gonna be doing a healthy oatmeal banana muffin. This muffin is ideal for weight loss, for keto and for vegetarians. Just watch out to see how you can prepare it without oven. Here are the required ingredients. Powdered oatmeal. I just blended my regular oatmeal into flour. 4 bananas, a cup of milk, a teaspoon each of baking powder and baking soda, some cranberries, dried ones, and a quarter cup of peanut butter. I sliced my bananas into smaller slices and got them into the blender. Added some milk to blend them through. It's not for me to say you love. Then got the banana milkshake into a bowl. I sieved through the oatmeal into the bowl. This helps incorporate air into the oatmeal and prevents lumping. And it will help in rising the dough. Then I added the rest of the ingredients, the baking soda and baking powder, the peanut butter and the cranberries. We are the rest of the ingredients, but we are not shown. I mixed all together with a hand mixer and made sure that I got a homogeneous mixture. On the stove, I've got a preheated pot with salt inside. This gonna be my oven. I'm gonna be baking this without a real oven. I scooped 2 tablespoons each into each cup of muffin to get the actual sizes. Then, after which I got them onto the stove or my homemade oven. I checked back after 30 minutes to see that the muffins are ready. All are well baked, well fluffy, well raisined. Yippee! Yay, the muffins are ready. Time of truth. They easily came out from the muffin pan. Easily came out well baked in and out, and it was oozing heat here. It was very hot as I cut it through, and I tasted it hot. It was very delicious, guys. Very delicious. I left it to cool down to retaste again. It was even yummy when finally cooled down. So guys, this is a good recipe. You can store it after it has cooled down in an airtight container and leave it on the kitchen table for like 2 days, after which you can get them into the fridge. You can use it for breakfast, for snack. It's weight loss ideal because all the nutrients are very healthy. They are rich in healthy nutrients, guys. Try it, you will enjoy it. So delicious. You got to try it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Bye. See you next time in my next uploads. Ciao.